Hello, my name's Chad Daugherty, Superintendent of Huntington County Community School Corporation. In this segment, we're going to talk about the infrastructure below us. We're going to talk about the drains and the pipes and the cleanouts that are below us here on this infrastructure here. That's our terrazzo. We cannot access these pipes or these drains that are bellied now. They've been rusted away, they've been clogged, they back up with our drains. We can't even access the drains in our current science labs. In order to get to these, you would have to take a jackhammer to get underneath this terrazzo. We had a sewer line that goes down to our athletic area. We had a varsity singers and a boys basketball game the same night. What happened was we almost had sewage that backed up and was almost onto our floor for the basketball. So that's the issue we're talking about. You're talking about 50-year-old pipes and drains that are bellied now that have given away. And also our foundation at the front of our building. When you're looking here at our foundation, it is starting to settle. You can see cracks here in the front of the building. This is becoming a huge issue. So when we're talking about this area of the building, this is the academic wing of our building. We've talked about our roof, which is $17 million, HVAC, which again is about $8 to $9 million to replace. And then we're talking about our infrastructure below us that you don't even see that's failing us. This is a daunting task and a daunting project that we need your support on. So on November 5th, please vote yes.